Today you'll solve a few numericals. First one is how much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to produce 20 grams of calcium from molten calcium chloride and 40 grams of aluminium from molten Al2O3. So first, in the first case, this is the equation we can write down. Calcium 2 positive plus 2 electrons gives calcium. From the equation it is clear that for getting this from the first equation it is clear that 2 moles of electrons are required to produce 1 mole of calcium. So that means 1 mole of calcium, that is 40 grams, require electricity is equal to 2 Faraday, because it is 2 moles of electrons here. So 2 moles of electrons carry charge equal to 2 Faraday. So 20 grams of calcium will require electricity is equal to 1 Faraday. Second question is this Al3 positive plus 3 electrons gives aluminium. So here you must know the valencies of elements first. So here we can from the equation we can know that 3 moles of electrons will produce 1 mole of aluminium. 1 mole of aluminium means 27 grams. So 27 grams of aluminium require electricity is equal to 3 Faraday, and we can calculate this way for 40 grams, and this answer comes out to be 4.4 Faraday. Numerical is calculate how long it will take to deposit 1 gram of chromium when a current of 1.25 ampere flows through a solution of chromium 3 sulfate. Molar mass of chromium is given 52. So the equation is chromium 3 positive plus 3 electrons give chromium. From the equation we can say that 3 mole of electrons are required to produce 1 mole of chromium. That means 52 grams of chromium require current is equal to 3 times this 3 into 96500 coulomb. So 1 gram of chromium will require current equal to this, we can calculate. Number of coulombs is equal to current into time in current in amperes into time in seconds. So from here time required can be calculated, and it comes out to be this 4453.8 seconds, and we can convert it into hours. Next numerical is predict if the reaction between the following feasible. First, Fe3 positive and I negative. So here this question, as you can see, has 5 parts, and you have to predict if the reaction between these two species are possible or not, and their reduction potentials are given here. These are reduction potentials given. So higher the value of reduction potential, that means more is its tendency to act as cathode. That means whichever means electrode has given higher value, जिस इलेक्ट्रोड की वैल्यू हाई होगी वो कैथोड हो और दूसरा एनोड, तो रिएक्शन विल बी फिजिबल. दिस वे यू हैव टू चेक, और यू कैन आल्सो पुट द वैल्यूज दिस वे. Reaction is feasible if EMF of the cell is positive. So the reaction, first one reaction can be written Fe3 positive plus I negative. Fe3 positive gets converted to Fe2 positive and I negative to I2. So here also you can see this way that this cell is also represented, as you can see here cell is represented I2 I negative, this is anode, and Fe3 positive Fe2 positive is the cathode here. So E naught cell, putting the value we get positive value, so this reaction is feasible because Fe3 positive Fe2 positive half cell has got higher value, so this is cathode minus anode and this comes out to be positive, so the reaction is feasible. Next part is like here whether Ag positive plus Cu, the reaction is feasible or not. As you can see, Ag positive is getting converted to Ag, that means this is cathode, and Cu to Cu2 positive is anode, and we know that silver electrode has higher values, so it is acting as cathode, and putting the value also it comes out to be positive. Third one, Fe3 positive and Br negative. Now Fe3 positive is getting converted to Fe2 positive and Br negative to bromine, which is reduction here. Here the reduction is this Fe3 positive to Fe2 positive reduction, plus 3 to plus 2. So this is Fe3 positive is being reduced according to this reaction. So this should be cathode and this should be anode, but by putting this as cathode, E naught cell comes out to be negative. So this is not feasible. So if we compare the values of this Fe3 positive, Fe2 positive 0.77, and for bromine it is 1.09, so which is higher, for bromine it is higher, so this should be cathode. But as per the reaction, Fe3 positive is the cathode, so here such the E naught cell comes out to be negative, so the reaction is not feasible. So rest of the parts also you can solve this way.